for joining me to check out the brand new Illustrated Faith Revival Camp Devotional. So this came in the mail yesterday, so I thought we would go ahead and open it. It did come in a box, so I have taken it out of that. I'm going to see if I can I haven't opened it, so I don't know what's in here. I'm going to open this. I'm going to save the sticker because maybe we'll want to use that for something else. Look at this pretty pink paper. Okay, so let's see here. So we've got a note, just what's in our kit on the back, and then back here it's got a little note. It's got some scriptures over here. It starts out, "Hey there, campers." Interesting. Okay, so let's put that over here. And then you've got this little bag. Let's see what's in here. I've never done revival camp, so it's going to be interesting to see what's in there. Oh, there's some patches. We've got heart, fellowship, prayer, and explore. And they're like patches that you would like sew onto like a vest of some sort or your clothing. I guess, I don't know how we'll incorporate those into our Bible journaling. I'm not sure, but we will wait and see. Then we've got a sticker. Well, I guess I could have ripped the one that was on the front, but now we have two. And then here, what do we've got? We've got trail mix, and it's got the little tag, and it's got a little piece of fabric on here, and it's kind of sewn. So let's, thinking maybe I want to save that part. So let's open it from the bottom. Because it's sewn across, so you can't open the front of the package. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so you've got a couple of buttons and a tag with some string on it. Oh, here's another button. So 3 buttons, a tag with the string on the top or twine, and then we've got a camera sticker. Yep, it's a sticker. And then we've got a piece of measuring tape. Oh, and here's another button. So in our little travel mix, you're going to get that stuff. So let's go ahead and just set this up here. I don't want to lose anything. And then we've got the washi tape. So let's open this and see what this has got. Freckled Fawn has supplied this washi tape. And it's green with some, it looks like wood. Let me see here. Looks like this. So let's stick that up here so you can see that if you'd like. Then what else we got? We've got some stickers from Illustrated Faith. Let's open that. Of course, they're going to be difficult. Let me find my scissors. Here they are. That's what happens when you don't open things before you start doing a video. Pull that away. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of stickers, and they're all the same. And they're green with little white dots on them. Let's put that over here. And then we've got a little sheet of, are these stickers too? Nope, these are cardstock. So we've got some cardstock stickers with about camping. So you've got a little light and a deer, explore tag, a compass, your little van to go camping, and then some oars. Oh, and then we have a stamp set. So this says, tugging on my heart, explore, prayer, fellowship, heart. Let's explore, heartbeat for God. I love these little trees. Those are cool. And a little camping tent. And what's in here? Okay, cardboard, take that out. So on here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. These go with the little patches, I guess. So maybe, and there's nothing on the back, so maybe after you do each one, when you finished, you earn a patch. So let me see. So this one has a verse right here you're going to go with. And this one has a verse right in here. And this one, there's probably more verses. I'm just kind of skimming it because I didn't open it beforehand. Then this one's got a few verses. Here's some, and there's a whole bunch down here at the bottom. And then this one has some verses down here. And then, let me see, skim up here a little bit. I don't see anything up there at the top. But that is looking fun. And I'm sure there'll be a bunch more stuff over in the Illustrated Faith Print and Pray shop too, if you're interested in adding some more stuff to this. But I'm looking forward to getting started and trying it out. I think also there's a coupon code that you can use over in the store, and if there is, I will put it at the top of the screen because I can't remember what it is, but I think it's 25% off whatever you buy, so you can get 25% off of this kit this time. And you got a lot of stuff in here for it's a bargain. So I'll go ahead and put that link at the top of the screen, or what the coupon code is, in case you'd like to go over to the store and grab that. And I'll put a link to the kit down in the description box to all the stuff that you need to go to if you want to check that out. So anyway, I hope you'll join me for Bible journaling when we use this kit, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.